What is an eco TV anyhow? Can a TV really be environmentally friendly? And what does that mean anyhow? I don't think it's about corny pictures of trees or smiling children or 100 shades of green. What you do for the environment is what you do every day. You recycle so your family is using less resources. You compost to put less into the landfill. You buy efficient appliances and lights to use less electricity. Eco-awareness is what you do every day. So how does a TV fit in? Most people watch a lot of TV, and for LCDs the biggest power draw is the backlight. For the Sony KDL-VE5 series, we reinvented the fluorescent backlight. Using patented technology from our Trinitron, we made a light that uses less electricity to create the same amount of light. Higher efficiency means less bulbs and therefore significantly less electricity use. You can see here how many fewer bulbs are used in a VE5 series compared to a regular LCD set. But there's more we can do to save power. Yes, we have low power consumption, but we've also added a presence sensor that turns off the backlight when no one is watching, and an energy-saving switch to completely disconnect the TV from power so you draw nothing. All the while, this TV is still a Sony BRAVIA with uncompromising picture quality made possible by features such as our motion flow 120Hz and the BRAVIA Engine 2. The presence sensor is a simple idea. When nothing moves in the room for a period of time, the picture goes off, but the sound continues. If a person comes back into the room, the picture instantly snaps back on. If no one comes back for a longer period of time, the TV goes into standby mode. Finally, a TV the kids can't leave on all day, and you can select all the delays yourself. The energy saving switch is an even simpler idea. Flip the switch and there's no standby power used. It's just like unplugging the TV. Many people have realized that standby power from chargers and electronics adds up to a lot of electricity, and every little bit counts. That's what we're trying to do with our electronics, our recycling, our appliances, our lighting. If everyone reduces their energy usage across the country in all of their lifestyle elements, it makes a big deal in terms of what we're all using. You can see here that since 2005, we have been consistently lowering power consumption on our sets. The really dramatic improvement comes in the larger sets where we're 65.3% below the new Energy Star limits. But we can continue to do more, continuing to improve the efficiency of the production and the efficiency of televisions, and it's something we're committed to. We've improved the packaging to use more recycled materials and have changed the stands to allow us to put 25% more TVs on a pallet, less carbon to drive these televisions around from factories to stores. We use recycled materials in the construction of the cabinet and make the television simple to disassemble for proper disposal at the end of life. So in closing, we have eco features when the set is on. It uses less power, it's got the presence sensor, it also has a light sensor that adjusts the brightness of the picture depending on the ambient light in the room, efficient presets, and when it's off you have the option of getting up off the couch and completely switching off the power. It's under your control. We use lead-free solder and safer chemicals in the manufacturing of all the electronics, and finally recycled materials for both the TV itself and the box that it comes in. The Sony BRAVIA VE5 series, a great TV you can feel great about owning.